Amana URCS511A microwave oven, problem E10.
Hello. My name is XXXXX I am an authorized Whirlpool and Amana service tech, and I can help you today. The E10 error means that an attempt has been made to prolong the cooking time longer than what it is allowed. When the micro is set to full power, 100%, the cooking time can't exceed 20 minutes.
Hi, do you know what's the problem? The Amana microwave oven appear E10.
When it is set for anything other than a power level of 100%, the cooking can't exceed 60 minutes. If you have the error code coming up when you are setting a cooking time less than that, then you may have a bad control board. Like I said above, I am an authorized Amana service tech. And I have access to the service and technical info for your machine. The E10 error again is for the prolonged cooking time for your model machine.
But I never said anything, just switch on the machine. E10 appear.
If you are getting the error and are not cooking longer than 20 minutes, then you have a bad control board. But I would try unplugging the unit for about 20 minutes, then plugging it back in, hitting and holding the start button for 5 seconds. This will reset the computer. If it doesn't work after that, then the computer has malfunctioned and will need to be replaced. Have you had a power surge or loss of power lately?
Okay, let me try.
Sometimes the control board will short out with any interruption and will cause the error. If the reset doesn't work, then you definitely have a bad control board and would need to be replaced. You can find parts for it by either going to your closest parts distributor or by visiting amana.com. Please try the reset and see what happens. Sometimes it will work for you. Hopefully it does. If you feel that I have helped to answer your questions, please remember to rate my performance below with OK service or better rating. This is the only way I get credit for helping you from the website. And if you feel that I haven't helped you enough, please don't leave negative rating. Just simply come back to me here and I will help you more until you are completely satisfied. And should you have more questions after positively rating me below now, please come back to me here and I will help you more for no additional charge. Thanks, and please let me know how it works for you.
I tried to press the start button, but no action.
Okay. Did you leave it unplugged for the 20 minutes? I don't think you left enough time here to reset the board. But if you leave enough time with the machine unplugged and get the same result, then again, you have a bad control board. And it will need to be replaced?
How I get the parts?
You need to call Amana. Their number can be found either on the sticker, either inside or in back of the machine, or by contacting your local appliance parts store to see if they stock parts for your machine. Since you are in Singapore and are overseas from me, I have limited access to look up parts info for you. But if you call, they will help you with the parts info. You can also go to Amana's website to locate the nearest parts supplier in your area.
Okay.
Then call them and have them either ship the part out to you or pick it up yourself. Then have an authorized Amana or Whirlpool service tech come to you to repair it and install the part. Please get back to me here if you need any other help or have any other questions, and I will help you more and try to find some part info for you. Please remember to rate my performance positively below this chat now. Thanks again. And have a happy and healthy new year.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.